Is it time to buy or sell Berkshire stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Berkshire. Our initial report was published on our website on the 5th of May 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of May 2025, our system has ranked Berkshire as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.05. Now, let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned in the lower part of a strong rising trend in the short term, which may present an excellent buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $507.63 be breached, it would primarily indicate a deceleration in the rate of increase, but it might also serve as an early warning of a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately 10.83% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 9.85% to 20.68%. On a longer-term basis, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 26.45%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 18.04% and 33.39% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $604.52 and $683.16. Our latest daily update for Berkshire includes the headline, Berkshire stock price took a fall of 5.12% on Monday. The Berkshire stock price declined by 5.12% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 5th of May, 2025, dropping from $539.80 to $512.15. During this trading session, the stock fluctuated 3.66%, reaching a low of $502.80 and a high of $521.18. Over the past weeks, the price has shown variability, with a slight gain of 1.03% over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day by 11 million shares, albeit with falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 16 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $7.95 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $542.07, while the lowest price was $399.26. Currently, the price stands 5.52%, or $29.92, below the 52-week high of $542.07, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Berkshire Hathaway's Class B shares, ticker BRK-B, are currently attracting significant attention following recent revelations and strategic movements. Warren Buffett, at the age of 94, has announced his plans to step down as CEO by the end of 2025, passing the leadership to Greg Abel. This transition has raised some investor concerns regarding the change in leadership. While this shift has been anticipated, it is likely to cause short-term volatility as shareholders evaluate the potential impacts on capital allocation and the consistency of returns that have defined the firm under Buffett. In positive news, Bill Ackman's Pershing Square Capital is making a substantial investment of $900 million in Howard Hughes Holdings, signaling an intent to replicate Berkshire's expansive growth. This ambition aligns with Berkshire's historical trend of outpacing the S&P 500, driven by strong positions in sectors like banking and technology. Furthermore, discussions led by CEOs from Forest River and Dairy Queen during the recent annual meeting highlight ongoing challenges related to tariffs and inflation, which are affecting product prices and profitability. However, insights suggest that Berkshire is well-positioned to navigate these pressures, supported by a significant cash reserve of $350 billion. Looking ahead, if Abel can demonstrate strategic prowess similar to Buffett's, investor confidence may rebound, potentially enhancing stock performance. Overall, the combination of leadership transition and strategic investments will be crucial in shaping the trajectory of BRK-B in both the short and long term. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Berkshire stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Berkshire. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. However, there are also negative signals that may impact near-term developments. The Berkshire stock currently holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. During any upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $530 and $523. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, the 2nd of May 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by over 5%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands provided a buy signal 20 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages points to a buy signal from 14 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average also indicates a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 72 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 64 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Berkshire. Berkshire experiences support from accumulated volume at $493.54. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk level is deemed medium. Over the previous day, the stock fluctuated by $18.38, reflecting a change of 3.66%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.89%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Berkshire, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 1st of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Berkshire. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Berkshire is at $515.81. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Berkshire faces its first support level at $493.54. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating from Berkshire from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 12th of January, 2024, when Jane Ajit conducted an insider sale of 28 shares of Class B common stock. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Berkshire stock a good buy? The Berkshire stock currently presents several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Berkshire will likely perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our valuation from a strong buy to a sell candidate since our last assessment. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 6th of May, we expect Berkshire to open lower by approximately 10 cents and commence trading at $512.04. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here's our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.